Warrior 2 pose, Virabhadrasana 2. Stand straight. Inhale, arms stretched straight out from shoulders, and feet parallel to each other in a wide stance. Turn your right foot and knee to face the front of the mat. Angle your left toes slightly in toward the upper left corner of the mat. Exhale. Bend your right knee. Stack your pelvis and your shoulders over your hips. Turn head and look past your right fingertips. Hold. Relax. Start. Hold. Relax. Repeat other side. Beginner. Hold 10 to 15 second. Repeated 3 to 4 minutes. Intermediate. Hold 25 to 30 second. Repeated 6 to 8 minutes. Proficient. Hold 45 second. Repeated 10 minutes or more.